Yo, Kash Kapri is on a day right now, so just leave it.
You don't know what this shit representing for 876 music. You see me? What about the Kash Kapri? Man, that's I. Cool no man. You make the few them know where we there right now.
Alright, right now, we're there. Probably one of the most interventional, probably one of the most inspiring places you can do right now for music, which is the Big Split Gang headquarters. You don't know, Big Boss Black or some stuff over there, so some days, but you don't know. It's over there. Lot of hits come out of here, so all heap of quality work, quality videos.
Cool,
and just, you see me, real meds.
Straight up. So Kash Kapri, you don't know you're my brother from long time. But here we are going. Some of the viewers them want reintroduce them. You see me? Say yo, where you get the name Kash Kapri?
Yo.
Camino say yo, Kash Young.
Alright,
You see me? Kash Young.
So for the people who know
Bro.
still you don't know, it was me, you, Alter Ego and Tamari, which was in a group.
Yeah,
Right?
chemistry.
So at the time I never named Kash Kapri, obviously. So one of the names was K Young, Kash Young, and the one of me that DJ with wait name again. KLR. From Waltham Park.
No, for real.
And me actually hear an artist named KLR come up with still energy, you see?
Yeah.
So yeah, the name I come from probably evolution of stages to the music we that go through, you know what I mean? Probably the on and off stages and some of the
Different genre them with a
yeah,
touch.
some of the experiences.
Yeah, because so we start out as rappers first and then we just DJ, sing, every aspect of
Come to
music.
the man them in the park and I rap and it just blow my mind. I wonder how to do that, but
You don't know the things there, you see me?
Yeah, man.
So the crew we represent for right now, you see me? Big up the chemistry CM, you see me? The crew we represent for right now, you see me? And the community and music, you see me? Let me know about that now.
Wide range.
You see
Wide
me?
range.
Straight.
Cause,
As you said, Big Split Gang.
yeah,
You see me?
and Big Split Gang is like more recent, but in another short time they cover so much.
Yeah.
Big Split Gang, it's amazing because with you know the different directions everybody from our previous crew make.
Yeah.
So I make mines and that one of them first crew was with J-Rock's Finest. So you know what I mean, for those who don't know J-Rock's Finest, those them was one of the biggest rap group in a
Jamaica.
and in Jamaica.
Yeah.
We can tell you that.
And ever have mixtapes and music out.
Yeah, because the affiliation with, you know what I mean, the guys at the time on Vibes Cartel and the whole world.
Straight.
So it was a
Things
time
like that,
where
nice.
not even I didn't have any records out even at that time. It was just experience, you know what I mean, going to the shows there in the studio, the big artists there.
Yeah, that's what I remember to say. Yo, big up to that nice, that's how I like
the big producer them, but we still stand out and we still have a voice in it because we contribute enough of the work we want. But at the end of the day, you know what I mean, as I said, different directions we need to take. One of them things that was J-Rock's Finest, you know what I mean, and then I just maybe took some solo parts, but one of them parts a little bit to do some real duo work with Image.
Straight up, yes.
I think Image did on your show.
Straight up.
Yeah, Image, and then coming up, it was just more of, you know, solo parts until did some work with Rave Entertainment. You see me? Then Capital 3D,
So that would be like different collaborations and different producers.
Different
You see me?
producers, different artists, different
Project.
people. It was just a whole
You see
mix
me?
of people.
Straight
And
up.
even out of that came some acting, which landed me in a couple series, which some of them got their more festival highlights and the silver screen highlights.
See.
And some music videos. Good skit and all that. But it carried me into that and propelled me here. Big Split Gang, you know what I mean, where an album came out of that, a couple of singles, videos, and just projects that include music, Let's Get Low show was a big music review show which I myself and Black also hosted.
Cool. Alright, hold on. We have a little bit because remember say me kind of have it in a specific order still, you see me?
Yeah, man,
But definitely a whole heap of things, you see me? Yes, I. So, I want to touch upon like one of your recent projects, you see me? So while the viewer them a view, you see me? You open a different tab and just go check out the music, you see me? So, what a recent project, you see me?
So the recent project personally was one with a label named Grateful.
Straight.
And Grateful was just a construct of just maybe certain ideas that I had to be on other projects, and it came out on this one. The other project was with Big Split Gang, which is called one thing called again also
Legacy.
The Legacy, but that was volume 2.
Straight up. Following up with the projects then, you see me?
Yeah. And Scheme Up, you don't know. That's recent projects. Less than 4 or 5 years.
Cool. Alright. Like over there in the music. What type of music you like? You see me? I now say, you see me? Say yo, you that really do that music, but still, like, that do rock and roll and reggae. So just tell me, say yo, the type of music where you listen to in your spare time. What type of music you listen to in your spare time?
A lot of different stuff. I mean, hip hop is and rap is one of the main things.
Straight up.
Definitely. I'm a big alternative music fan. Some people don't know that I like reggae, Afrobeats, R&B, trap R&B, just a host of mix of things, plus some lo-fi stuff from probably Shiloh Dynasty and all the things that, you know what I mean? So, a wide range of music, really, to tell you the truth.
Straight up. So, not too long you kind of going at a little bit quick, but definitely, I know say the caliber of work where you have, Wally, you see me? When I say, yo, tell me a couple of the people them where you do like musical collaboration with, like you dip on the song with them, or you featuring them, or them featuring you. You see me? Name a few of them. So the viewer them can check out all one.
You see me? You know the diaspora of our hip hop community.
Right.
Yeah,
hip hop in Jamaica.
You know a lot of, I have collaborations with Image, I have collaborations with Black Hustle, I have collaborations with Dizzy the Ill One, I have collaborations with 5 C's.
Straight up.
Yeah, I have a collaboration with Quilly Mills. That's he's from Philadelphia actually. He's from out of Meat Mills crew. I don't know his exact status yet, but that's one of the international collabs right there.
Cool. Alright. Some of the stage show them when you perform. Alright, I draft about 2 of them. What that? On the Roof.
You was there. You did that.
Countless of Pay Attention performance.
You
see
did
me?
that.
They can check out them thing there on 876MUZIK.
Definitely.
Couple of the other stage show them in and out like Portmore and my community. You see me?
A lot of them came through connections with the same community and probably from people outside the community. Where it was probably another artist who had
a link.
Yeah, you know what I mean? And say, hey, yo, you want to get a piece of this? And even other artists who kept shows to themselves, big up I give.
Straight up.
Who has a wonderful.
Alright, Bombard, my mind just get up.
Blue.
Alright. Lineage did have a show on you did that on the show them and as a show?
Lineage. I think Lineage did have a show, but I didn't think I got on it. Big up the Lineage family.
Yeah, big up the Lineage family. R.I.P. Jono.
Yeah, it was a loss to the community. So I'll keep it, that's the question. But I never got invited to a Lineage show.
Yeah.
But I was, friends with probably 3 members of the Lineage.
Cool. Because I remember I have one performance, I think Alti Ego at the Lineage, you see me? Show them before France, they drop out there, you see me? But yo, Big up to the family of France Nooks, you see me? Big up the lineage crew, you see me? Don't know the artists represent for reggae, dancehall, hip hop in even Jamaica, yeah, you see me? Mostly hip hop show him to come and represent as a little Rasta youth and do him thing, you see me? And when them youth that talk, just like how we there right now talk to you as the viewer, we're teaching of the music, you see me? They're supposed to be some form of exchange where me I give you knowledge, where regardless if it a jovial, you see me, where I have fun, or I just fresh out and I'm stressed, you see me? I have troubles in my life. Music, you see me? We are teaching our music, you see me? We are aware of these things, you see me? Yes, I. So, Kash, tell me some of them people where you want to big up right now, you see me?
Man,
you see me?
A long list of people, man.
Yeah,
some people I don't want to feel out here. God.
True, but let's give them a few right now.
Some of us are going to say, yo, big up first and foremost the man that made that building, Black House of Breezy and Capitan Treaty, is say as some man where they are from probably a longer time where I have well big up Image, big up TMO, the whole Red Black, you know what I mean? Big up my ward, Scantana, big up Jacka, I don't know. Big up all the man out at 8 West at a JJ that ever first school them, I don't know anything said. Well, I'm kind of like a whole big up my artist friend them, the whole out. You see me, I say? Yeah,
yes,
big up producer friend them.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man.
More if you go even a little wider range, a little bit, but here we are going on the music, Cali, but you see me, they still play a role because she play a role in my life too. As a bridging, doing music, you see me? Come in your yard and link up and mommy and say, yo, them brother here star, they make for them my son yard, you see me? And him gonna feed them yard, you see me? Big up your mother, Charlie, you see me?
Gone every minute.
Big up your mom, you see me?
Big up moms every time. I know, say, man, big up your mother too.
Straight up manners, man, same way, likewise.
Same way,
Right, bro. Right,
I tell you, breakfast.
You see me? Our life in our real life, man, you see me? Yes, man. Yes, man. Yes. So you know, say yo, as a hip hop artist in Jamaica, some people, them don't realize and recognize what we realize. You see me? Buying a piece of music is so important. Worst of all, if you a musician, an aspiring musician where you want to box and sell your music too. You see me? So, the question here is, to you ever buy a piece of music? No, well. Established artist. Easy. Yes. On an average basis, I just want to go in general first. Say you like Nas album, Eminem album. You da buy it, but then you buy album straight up. So that's why I say certain our love of music here, our genre, reggae, dancehall, them only develop on singles. You see me? So one rhythm bus and 10-man band rush to one rhythm. You see me? We as hip hop artists are an artist that develop music. We don't really think of say yo, we want to depend on a rhythm with everybody. You see me? Yes, we will share the rhythm, but therefore put a little change in the instruments then. You see me? Straight up.
There's a lot of artists from every corner in the world. That means
you see him really. Right. So now, there's it go over in the more sophisticated way where you talk not say, yo, alright, you go on to create music in studio, voice, and then try to sell the music. So now, basically, you have to go link with Big Spliff and say, yo, you know, say, I want to buy a rhythm from your charge. You see me? How much for a rhythm? You see me? The youths them in the music And some of the elders them in the music don't want to recognize this. You see me? And we will recognize this. I feel like if we talk a little bit more about it, you see me? If we say, yo,
Definitely. That's
what?
investment.
You don't see my music I sell yet, but it have the potential. I copyright my thing. I pay for my beats. I pay for my recording sessions. You see me? Yeah, do this thing. Now you can link the video, man. Big up yourself, this shit. You see me?
Quick ad.
Right, you see me?
Yeah.
I make these things come together, come to life. So it not just be a one-man show. You see me? But that's how the real question come from. To say, boy, if you ever buy a piece of music, you see me?
Yeah.
If you say, yo boy, you really actually know where you're doing, you see me?
Now that I think back at that, the first piece of music come back, I think it was a Ludacris album.
But
Back for the first time.
Back for the first time. Jaja. Yeah.
I find that thing like, yo, just like introduced to as a kid, like, you don't know who's the best.
True, what?
The best sport actor, the best business soldier.
Right.
Big up 876 music. I don't know how much man know where it starts from. And he's always been listening to us. Still with the camera.
without the Blackberry. Oh shit. Oh, the too young and don't know about Blackberry. Don't know you see Black Bus, Kash Kapri, Crew, whatever. Which couple of your song them you love to perform? Like when you're in the crowd and deliver your music. The energy we get back from the crowd just up there.
Alright, so there was this one freestyle, right?
Mm-hmm.
The Drake Pound Cake freestyle. Like, yo, man, we knew it was fire, but like, I never know it was that much. Brother, the way back in a country.
Mm-hmm.
You know, we like some baka bush thing that I talk about, brother.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna drop that pan. Bounty Killer them bug rhythm, bro.
Bug rhythm. 99, 2000 that come out. You hear that? Bug rhythm.
I'm gonna tell you, so the reaction of the crowd was different from us about 5 times after this stuff. I'm gonna get tired, brother. And I say, yo, hear me, I say, man.
Yo!
That's the verse alone. And I say, yo, that's it, I come on. I just have a set. I mean, plans for the more tune than that. Another one, this did, really come at a more recent time. But the record called The Drive, like, I put some, parts in the record and perform it and think on some more intimate settings where it's not my last chord, more like, yo, some people that pay attention to you right here, listen to the word that you say, so that should come. So at that, I got a whole heap of reception after. I did a song with Gully Cash, never actually got to perform the song with him.
Yeah.
Because I think in the island, you know what I'm saying? But every time I perform my verse and the hook, it just that's always up. So use the songs and moments to get a lot of reciprocation from the crowd to really, have a good set all the time.
Cool, no, right.
Which time period or which time you write the song. You know what I mean? I always try to just put a good set together so you follow from that song. Maybe I one song and yes, but definitely.
Yeah. Performance, them nice. We name that. So what are the future plans for Kash Kapri right now?
Well, definitely getting more established, Getting more work done, obviously, get my thing out there as an artist, because you don't know it's
Audible and visual.
yes,
Yeah.
audios, visuals, even some other background work. Some people don't know about. Definitely, I want to put things in for the future. Establishing probably my own label really, really soon. And we'll still have close affiliates with places like DSG.
Straight up.
You know what I mean? So it's
Foundation.
Yeah, it's gonna hard. Yeah, but yeah, it's gonna always be try to go in our forward movement. I have a couple businesses in the pipeline, so them they keep me busy as well. So that's the thing, right?
I'm going in and out of studios, spit it clear, hear the passion in my audios. Till my haters is adios, my people let's vomit notes. Let's roll up something that we can smoke.